guys, it's me Kim. Good morning everyone. Tataka kayo kung bakit may music pa. Dahil I'm gonna do some advice this morning for my good friend. This is for you, kuya. Don't wanna mention your name dahil request mo na rin that. I just wanna say na tama yung decision na ginawa mo last night. Breaking up with your girlfriend, ang relationship mo is on and off. Mahirap man gawin kasi sabi mo nga, she's priceless, she's everything for you, pero on and off na kayo eh. You need to decide the best for you. Mahirap makipagrelasyon sa isang tao na puro pangako lang yung kayang ibigay sa'yo, pero yung bawat kilos na ginagawa niya sa'yo is hindi tugma sa mga pinapangako niya sa'yo. Forever is possible, but it depends kung nasa puso niyo talaga yung, let's say, pagsasama niyo. Kasi based on your story, yung girl, ginagamit ka na, kuya. We both know na pare-parehas tayong, let's say, bata in any relationship that comes from our life, pero you need to be honest sa bawat isa. Okay? Congrats, kuya, kasi nakalaya ka na. I know hindi mahirap yung pag-move on na gagawin mo ba. I hope the best for you, kuya. And see you soon on I'll see you on Saturday, okay? And good luck. Bye guys. Next shouts out para sa mga humingi ng request sa akin last week. I'll be posting your name soon. Bye bye. Ingat.